Okay, here's page 125, the Haydn Piano Sonata. This says, after you finish labeling all the chords, complete the three-part reduction that follows in the excerpt. The neighbor figures in the 16th notes and measures 84 to 91 are non-chord tones, not the sevenths of chords. Okay, so they're starting here with the B. We're in the key of F sharp minor. So this is a 5, 7. See the C sharp sustaining. We've got the E sharp and the soprano, resolves up appropriately. Here's the G. This G sharp is the 5th, and the 7th here has this lower neighbor on it, embellished, and then it resolves down. This, however, is not the one chord. This is the D major chord. It's the 6. Deceptive progression. And from 6, so these little neighbors here, you just totally ignore those. And the instructions tell you these are not sevenths on these chords, okay? We do progress down to the B here, sort of anticipating this next chord, and then we have B as the bass note, going to E as the bass note. So this is the 4 chord. E major is the major 7 chord. E major from natural minor. You probably know where this is going. 4, 7. How much you want to bet this is the 3 chord? Yes, it is. I guess I should be pointing out here that we do have a 7th. So it's 7, 7. And we have a 7th, so it's 3, 7. And here we've got D, the 6, 7, 2, half diminished 7, 5, 7, 1, 6, 2, half diminished 6, 5, 5, 7, and then you're left hanging on the 5, 7. So if you look at this, we have the 5. Okay, so there's sort of a chain reaction here. The 5 resolves deceptively to 6. The 6 has 2 notes in common with the 4 chord. Once we're on the 4 chord, we kick off the diatonic circle of fifths, 4, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, and then we get the fairly common tonic, predominant, dominant, implied tonic, which is coming later. Okay. So if we do what this is asking us to do, okay, they're asking us to do a textural reduction. So there's E. This measure has A, D, G, C. So A, D, G sharp, of course, C sharp, F sharp. That's the reduction of the bass. We have B embellished, walking down to E. E's embellished, walks to A. Is embellished, it walks to D. Is embellished, it walks to G, jumps up an octave. Embellished, walks to C. Embellished, walks to F. Okay, so it's just this progression. We're very familiar with this at this point. This is 4. Now we can look at these upper voices and we can see that the voice leading works exactly as we expect. Sorry, that's 7, 7. The 7th resolves down, becoming the 3rd. The 3rd ties over, becoming the 7th, which steps down, becoming the 3rd, while the 3rd ties over, becoming the 7th, and we have this chain reaction. I guess the piece doesn't go to tonic, but you know what? They give us a measure. I want to take it to tonic. Okay, and then here, implied resolution to tonic. 4, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Again, you can really see the voice leading here, that this 7th tied over from the previous chord resolves down to the 3rd, becomes a 7th, 3rd, 7th, 3rd. The upper voice is the same thing, 180 degrees out of phase. 3rd becomes 7th, 3rd, 7th, 3rd, and then we finally resolve. And by breaking the pattern here, along with our sort of pitch collection and the leading tone resolving up, we know that we've arrived at our tonic. So that's the piece, page 125. And that's all for now.